Hello and welcome to a quick overview of the Acterys Power BI integration. What we see here is a typical financial dashboard designed in Power BI, arguably the most innovative and most widely used data discovery solution at the moment. From here, I can immediately navigate to the underlying report and change filters to look at a particular detail, or click on any object on the report, which will automatically update all other related visualizations. So clicking on, for example, this particular company, I can see now that all the other visualizations show the results for this company. Another great feature are custom tooltips. Custom tooltips allow you to display another report when clicking on a visualization. So here I can see now for the particular results how they have developed over time. What Acterys adds to this unparalleled platform is the seamless integration of planning and business modeling and knowledge management. Reflecting our philosophy that planning is not something that should be done as a separate application, but needs to seamlessly integrate into operational processes and standard office productivity solutions. So from the finance report, I can now directly navigate to a particular detail, for example, the sales results. Click on drill through, and now we'll be automatically guided to a form where the users can now enter or edit their structured information. So here we see now the Acterys matrix, which offers selective drill down, which is something that is not available in the standard Power BI matrix. So it will only navigate to the particular underlying level as opposed to everything. I can customize this visual to my requirements with colors and a lot of other formatting options. But the most important thing is I can now here directly enter data directly back into the system. This can either be on a detail level, like we just done now, or we can do this on the total. So for example, I can now change here the value on the aggregation, and it will automatically update the results of the underlying children. But it's not just structured information. Acterys also allows you to collect unstructured information, for example, comments. So in the Acterys comment visual, we can now immediately enter comments on the particular selected filters. And it's not just comments, you can use a wide variety of powerful formatting options, like changing colors, adding links, and formatting the text as required. So now we click on the text box. We can see the existing text, which is a text and a link. We can enter new text. And this text can now be formatted with a lot of rich text formatting options. Once we're finished, we can just write it back, and then this information will be written back into the Acterys database, related to the specific information in the Acterys matrix. This was a quick overview of the Acterys planning and analytics functionality in Power BI. To find out more, visit us on our website acterys.com and chat to our customer service team how Acterys can take your financial planning and analytics processes to the next level.